Roast turkey. How to make roast turkey? Ingredients: 3 cups coarse salt plus more for seasoning, 5 cups sugar, 2 medium onions coarsely chopped, 2 medium leeks white and pearl green parts only, rinsed and coarsely chopped, 2 carrots peeled and coarsely chopped, 2 celery stalks coarsely chopped, 2 dried bay leaves, 3 sprigs fresh thyme, 3 sprigs fresh flat leaf parsley, 2 teaspoons whole black peppercorns, freshly ground pepper, 1 fresh whole turkey 18 to 20 pounds, rinsed and patted dry, giblets and neck reserved for gravy. Gravy: half cup unsalted butter, 1 stick melted plus 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened, half cup dry white wine such as Sauvignon Blanc, chestnut stuffing, crab apples, fresh rosemary sprigs and fresh sage for garnish optional. Let's cook. Put salt, sugar, onions, leeks, carrots, celery, bay leaves, thyme, parsley, peppercorns and 10 cups water in large stock pot. Bring to a boil, stirring until salt and sugar have dissolved. Remove from heat, let brine cool completely. Add turkey breast first to the brine. Cover, refrigerate 24 hours. Remove from brine. Pat dry with paper towels. Let stand at room temperature 2 hours. Preheat oven to 425 degrees with rack in lowest position. Stir together melted butter and wine in a medium bowl. Fold a very large piece of cheesecloth into quarters so that it is large enough to cover breast and halfway down sides of turkey. Immerse cloth in butter mixture, let soak. Place turkey breast side up on a rack set in a roasting pan. Hold wing tips under turkey. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon each salt and pepper inside turkey. Loosely fill body and neck cavities with stuffing. Tie legs together with kitchen twin. Fold neck flap under. Secure with toothpicks. Rub turkey all over with softened butter. Season with salt and pepper. Remove cheesecloth from butter mixture, squeezing gently into bowl. Reserve butter mixture for brushing. Lay cheesecloth over turkey. Place turkey legs first in oven. Roast 30 minutes. Brush clothly cheesecloth and expose turkey with butter mixture. Reduce temperature to 350 degrees. Roast brushing every 30 minutes. 2.5 hours more. Cover with foil. If browning too quickly, if making gravy, add giblets and neck to pan 1.5 hours after reducing temperature. Roast 30 minutes and reserve. Discard cheesecloth, rotate pan. Baste turkey with pan juices. Roast rotating pan halfway through until skin is golden brown and an instant red thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh. Registers 180 degrees and stuffing reaches 165 degrees. About 1 hour. Transfer to a platter. Set pan with drippings aside for gravy. Let turkey stand at room temperature at least 30 minutes. Garnished if desired.